Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today's video is all about the highly anticipated Garmin Fenix 8 Pro, the rumored successor to the king of outdoor smartwatches, the Fenix 7 Pro. With rumors swirling and leaks popping up online, let's dissect what this next-gen wearable might bring to the table. Taking a display leap? One of the biggest whispers is a potential display upgrade. The Fenix 7 Pro uses a memory and pixel MIP display, known for its battery efficiency, but not exactly the brightest or most vibrant. The Fenix 8 Pro might take a page out of the Garmin Apex lineup and sport a stunning AMOLED display. This would offer richer colors, better visibility in sunlight, and a sharper overall look, making it easier to see all your fitness data and navigate menus. Calling all adventurers, another exciting leak is the possibility of a built-in microphone. Similar to the Garmin Venu 2 Plus, the Fenix 8 Pro could let you take calls directly from your wrist. This would be a game changer for outdoor adventurers who need to stay connected during hikes, climbs, or even emergencies when reaching your phone might be difficult. Imagine scaling a mountain and receiving a call from your worried family. The Fenix 8 Pro could bridge that gap. Fueling your exploration, storage limitations on the Fenix 7 Pro have been a slight pain point for some users. The Fenix 8 Pro might address this by offering more storage space. This translates to preloading more maps on your watch, perfect for exploring uncharted territories. Whether you're venturing into dense forests or navigating unfamiliar cities, having more maps readily available on your wrist could be a lifesaver. Going beyond the basics, when it comes to health tracking, the Fenix 7 Pro plays catch up with some competitors. The Fenix 8 Pro might come equipped with advanced health sensors, potentially including an ECG sensor. This would allow for in-depth heart health monitoring, giving you valuable insights into your overall well-being. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or simply focused on staying healthy, these advanced health features could be a major selling point. The all-important battery life. For outdoor enthusiasts venturing deep into the wilderness, battery life is paramount. The Fenix 8 Pro is rumored to boast improved solar charging capabilities. This means harnessing the power of the sun to keep your watch used up for longer expeditions. Imagine conquering a multi-day trek without worrying about finding a charger. The Fenix 8 Pro could be a reliable companion throughout your journey. Release date and price, a pinch of salt. Here's where things get a little fuzzy. Garmin is known for keeping its product launches under wraps. While there's no official confirmation, whispers suggest a potential release sometime in the latter half of 2024, possibly August. It's important to remember that these are just leaks and rumors, so take them with a grain of salt. As for pricing, there's no word yet, but expect it to be in the premium smartwatch range, similar to the Fenix 7 Pro. Fenix 7 Pro or wait for the 8? So the question arises, should you upgrade to the Fenix 8 Pro? Or is the Fenix 7 Pro still a solid choice? If you prioritize a vibrant display, advanced health tracking features like ECG, built-in microphone for calls, and potentially even better battery life, then waiting for the Fenix 8 Pro might be worth it. However, if you need a top-notch outdoor smartwatch right now and the current features of the Fenix 7 Pro suit your needs, then there's no reason to hold off. The takeaway: the Garmin Fenix 8 Pro, based on these leaks, has the potential to be a significant upgrade over its predecessor. From a potentially stunning AMOLED display to advanced health tracking and a built-in microphone, it seems Garmin is aiming to solidify the Fenix line's position as the ultimate companion for adventurers. Keep your eyes peeled for official announcements and stay tuned to this channel for all the latest updates on the Fenix 8 Pro.